Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel. Before we even get into this, please check out Dixieland RC, RC Addict, and Dark Side 3D Printing. Quite frankly, everything we're going to do today is from Dixieland RC. I switch them around. I try to share business between all the ones that I have. And this order all came from Dixieland RC. With that in mind, you can get some of the same stuff from a couple of those as you can from the others. See who has what in stock and meet your needs. They're all great people. They're all great places. It's so great to have such awesome people being distributors, being hobby shops in this hobby, and show them some support, folks. They are all small businesses. So let's get into this. I normally don't do this. This is mail time, okay? I already unboxed all this stuff to either A, check for any kind of defects or imperfections before I film it, and find it during filming. I like to give all companies a chance in case something gets damaged in shipping. We know how that happens, to get everything resolved beforehand. So, my faithful charger, I had a Hyperion, is an i720 charger. It finally decided to die on me after so many years of awesome service. So I was looking around for chargers. I needed to get some more ports just to have. I wanted something easy for the boy to use as well. And I come across this one looking around. I figured I'd give it a shot. So quite honestly, this charger has the appearance of another known charger, a high-tech, and also the app. Yes, this is Bluetooth enabled. You don't need to add anything to it. If you have a smartphone, it will hook right up to it. I was using it today and I had no problems. Now, if you look at the app, it only has like a 2-star review. I'm not sure what people are doing or what the problem is, but I have not had a single problem with the charger and the app. Now, mind you, I've only used this a short period of time. Well, honestly, it came today. So, short period of time, but I'll give you a little run through of what it comes with. We'll show you some pictures of the box. There it shows the app. Shows the features. And it does give you all the information you really need to know. And then we'll show you the back. So, with that being said, we'll open it up here real quick. Of course, this charger was very well padded inside, and you'll see the padding here in a second. Of course, it was wrapped in plastic when I got it. Like I say, I did use it. It comes with a manual, good old manual. Of course, the charger itself, which is fairly nice. Getting all my camera work in here. Reaching around the tripod. So, it's fairly nice. It's fairly compact. All 4 ports built right into it. And I like that they don't all come out in the exact same spot across the front. They are on the sides. So, what I was actually doing, because I had 4 batteries on this, I had these 2 in one LiPo bag, and I had these 2 in another LiPo bag. So, you know, you can put these ones in one, these ones in another, and you're good to go. It comes with 4 balance ports. Okay. 4 balance ports. So you're all taken care of there. You literally can, right out of the box, charge 4 LiPo battery packs. It comes with 4 XT60 connectors. There's all 4 of them here. So 4 XT60s. Okay, plug right in, charging. If you're not using XT60s, you really need to consider your battery terminals. Then it also comes with 2 universals that you can solder your own connectors onto if you wish, and use them as you wish. So far, I'm very happy with it. This is not a review of the charger. That will come shortly down the road. I do intend on doing a review of it, because let's face it, chargers are not cheap, people. And you don't want a dud. So if I got a dud, I'm going to tell you about it. I ain't got nothing to hide. So we're going to move that out of the way. Moving on, as I knock the tripod down. Moving on. Next, this box. Like I say, I already unboxed this box. Made sure nothing was broke or ripped apart. Of course, all this material you see right now, all come out of this box. All right, I feel it's important to at least show you. It was packaged extremely well. There wasn't anything that was going to hit something unless it really got penetrated. So that is that. Now let's see what's in here, because this is going to show you what this channel is going to really be thinking about here next. What we have here is a Boomracing D110 frame. Okay. Now this came with wheels and tires. They are bead blocks, real bead blocks. They're all metal. Now the tires themselves are what I would call like a class 0 tire. They are under 4 inches. The size of these, now they are 1.9 wheels, but they are 3.9 diameter. They are definitely smaller than your class 1 4.19s, folks. So just so you're aware, whenever you say if you get one of these, just so you're aware that that's what's up, okay? Looking here, it looks like we got a pack of, which I love these. I actually use the aluminum ones on my TF2. But what these are shock keys. Now these ones are carbon fiber by the looks of it. Yes, carbon fiber. And they are shock keys. They're to give you different shock locations, shock mounts, stuff of that nature. So I'm actually quite surprised that they're in there, because it don't say anything on anything about it coming with them. So, hey, I'll take a positive surprise any day of the week. We got battery straps in this package, along with wheel hexes and a pinion gear. So we'll get you a look at this chassis here while it's sitting here. Now these are not, okay, the badass boom drive shafts. These are the Boomracing Voodoo drive shafts. Now as you look at this, the transfer case and the transmission look a lot like the RC 4-wheel drive version. I will tell you that I'm going to definitely sit them side by side and compare them. Because I'm curious if they're exactly the same or if they're slightly different. The frame, there isn't, honestly, other than the rod ends, there isn't a single piece of plastic on this thing. So there isn't. I think the spur gear plastic? I have to look at that. Yeah. Spur gear looks like it's machined. So if it's plastic, it's machined. I had something to tap on it with. But yeah, I'm not even so sure it is, it's plastic. I'll definitely dig into that to find out. But now, this is going to be my camel trophy vehicle. So my primary goal with it is durability over everything. I'm choosing durability over performance or any other aspects of it, because I want to make sure this thing does not break on me while I'm yanking somebody around, or they're yanking me around, or whoever's doing what. Camel Trophy, if you're unaware of it, it's team events. You act as a whole team. No matter what, you're never touching a truck. You are yanking on each other. You are doing whatever you can to make it to the end. That is your primary goal. So, the radio box is plastic. That is really the only other piece of plastic I see rather than rod ends. Now, the rods are very nice. They seem beefy. Of course, they're using the boom rod ends, which I love. These are definitely good rod ends. These are the scale fat axles. And so far, I'm enjoying what I see. I definitely see some things that need some attention, but nothing that's dramatic, okay? So, everything seems very... of course, it's solid. It is solid aluminum, but nothing's loose, nothing's rocking on it. If I take a drive shaft and I start spinning it around, I go to the spur, I'm not feeling hardly any play at all, folks. Okay? There's like nothing there. So very little anything. I got it by the rear axle. I'm holding the front spur. I'm not seeing any play at all, and I haven't even done anything with it yet. So I'm very impressed by that alone. All right, so let's see what is sitting on top of this D110 body, or D110 frame. We're going to look at the body next. So the body, get the frame. Let me put it back here. As I said, I've had this open as well. So the body itself is a D110, but it's not a normal, just plain old D110. I honestly don't know. I love this whenever I seen it. I don't know how it flew under the radar for so long without me noticing it. And maybe you never noticed it as well either. This is a pickup truck, D110 hard body. All right. So there's the wheelbase, 334 millimeters. Includes full interior. Right here's the product code. Let's open this bad boy up. Okay. Now, of course, I went through this real quick, made sure I didn't have nothing broken. It does come with a little manual. This manual is not for the frame, okay? These ship separate. These are their own shipping boxes. So whenever you order the truck, it comes as 2 pieces. So this is all your parts and your pieces. Shows you the assembly of everything. And it, like I say, it has a full interior. So, and sticker sheet. Awesome. Camo trophy. Okay, something else. If you're like me, and I know somebody else, I already checked this. The stickers are pre-cut. All right, pre-cut, already good to go. So here's all our windows. Here's our doors. They even give you a little screwdriver. There's some magnets in here. This little rod you see here is for the hood prop, because the hood, you can prop open on this, you know, for display to look like a real vehicle. So, you know, we got the radiator, we got the fan, the front grille. Of course, all this can be detailed however you wish. Speaking of the hood, or depends on where you're from, the bonnet. First time I ever said that. I got to be honest with you, folks. I'm extremely excited about this build, more so than anything I've ever touched before in RC. This is what I've been thinking about lately. Now, these seats are very interesting. They're actually rubberish. All right, they're not a molded plastic. They are almost a rubberish to give you some detail. So, yeah, they'll be neat to work with. I've not seen that. Of course, headlight, fenders. It's like the back window. That looks like maybe a bottom. I don't know. I'm guessing here, folks. I'm trying to get down to this. Okay, this is the lid. So, you know, you don't even, if you're painting this, obviously, you know what you're getting right here. Of course, it needs a little cleaning up from rubbing back and forth and shipping. Nothing major, of course. But, yeah, I mean, that's you can paint that pretty easy. Of course, let's get down to this. See what this is all about. Okay. Got a whole bunch of stuff in there sticking. All right, there's the main part of it. All right. Let's get this down here. You can see the truck bed, a little truck bed in there. Truck bed area. All right. Of course, this attaches just like a RC four-wheel drive, screws through the side. So, yeah, it feels pretty stout. I mean, that's some thick stuff. All right. It's not skimp. It definitely isn't skimpy. I got some chrome by the looks of it for in the headlights and stuff. Looks like it has holes for headlights, for bulbs. Black plastic pieces. I see windshield wipers, inserts to hold in headlights. So that's all there. Rear bench seat. That's cool. It is also that rubber material. Looks like we got dash, steering wheel, and our floorboards and center console and stuff. So, I mean, I see everything here. Nothing is damaged. A little bit of cleaning on the top of that roof piece, and we will be golden. I got a heck of a mess now, but anyhow, I hope you guys are looking forward to this like I am. I haven't honestly seen much information on these, so I was very happy and very excited whenever I seen it. And I fell in love with it when I seen it, and all I've been doing is thinking about it, so I pulled the trigger on it and said, I'm doing it. So that's what's up, everybody. Thank you for checking it out. Hope you enjoyed the little unboxing thing here. And if you did, I'll do more of them. You know, whenever I get something, I'll unbox it for you and show you. I don't have any problem at all doing that. It's just not something I've done before. So let me know in the comments if you liked it. Also, let me know. I have the Gen 8, you know, the Gen 8 I started with way back when I did reviews on. I actually sold it to my buddy. He's been running it, and he finally broke it. So we are doing a ton of upgrades to it. If you're interested in seeing that truck again, drop it in the comments of this video that you want to see more of it. Because I have it right now, I'm upgrading it right now, and we can go over everything. So let me know in the comments. I hope you all are doing very well. I hope you all are safe, healthy. Everything is well in your world. And for me, everything is doing just fine right now. So stay safe. Wish you all the best. Take care. Thank you for tuning in. And we'll see you in the next video. Drop some stuff in the comments though, people. I want to know what you're thinking. Thanks, everybody.